everyone. In today's video, we are going to create an app known as Magic App. So first you have to start click start new project, and the project name you can keep it any, but I'm keeping Magic App. And open it. So this section, which is the phone you're seeing, is known as viewer section, and this is the component area and the properties, and this is the palette. So there are two sections in MIT App Inventor. One is designer section and the other is block section. Designer section is the place where you design how your app needs to have, and the block section you will decide the thing which you want to run. So in the designer section, we are going to create the design of the app. For that, you need layouts, which is the layout which we are going to use in this app is vertical arrangement. The UI which we need for creating this app are button and image. Make sure the button and the image are kept inside the vertical arrangement. So next step is you have go to vertical arrangement and just align it center, and also change the height to fill parent. Next, you have to go to button area and just change the background color to anything you like. I am changing the color to cyan. Next, you have to go and change the shape to rounded, and the text which you are going to keep in this app is magic, because when we click this button, the magic is gonna happen. So now you have to go over image and go over pictures and just upload the file. So for that, we have to download the image of Mario. So I'm just gonna search in Google and just save image as, and just save it. And also you need a magic app icon which you will keep for the app. So I'm gonna go and just download that. Next, you can go back to MIT App Inventor and upload the Mario file by just going to downloads and just clicking the image. So as you can see, the Mario image has been uploaded successfully. So next, over the media, you have to click upload file, and just click images.jtfif. So now this has also uploaded successfully. So next you have to go over vertical arrangement and change the background color to green or any color you prefer. Next, can go and just give fill parent and fill parent, because then only the magic icon will come to the bottom of the page. Next step is you have to just make it as take out the visible in the image so that the image will be hidden. Next you have to go over screen section and just change the title to magic app. Next you have to go over blocks section and just go over image button, because when button 1 is clicked, the image which have kept as hidden should be visible. So set image 1 dot visible as true. So you can go over and just take 2 from logic or just type true. So when button 1 dot click, do set image 1 dot visible to true. So now you have to go over the designer section to complete the app. So go to about section, and this is optional. You can just give created by Tech Faadil, and you can just change the app name to magic app. Next you can just go over icon and just give the icon. Next you have to change the background color, and this is also optional, to red. So now I'm gonna show you, if you want to update your app, then what you want to do. So I can go over the blocks and just update. If you want to update, then you just can go over here and just change the version name to 1.1 or 1.2 or the version code to 2. So now as we have completed our app, I'm gonna show you how to download it. So you have to just click on build and you have to wait for some seconds for it to build. So after the building process, you might get a place for a button to download on this device, or you can download in external device. So using this OTP you can download in external device, and if you click download.apk now, and so if you click on the download button, the app is downloaded. So if you're using an external device, then you can click on QR code and you can just scan the QR code and download it on your external devices. Or if you want to just test the app, then you can go over connect. You can just dismiss it and go over connect, and you can just download MIT AI2 companion. So it's just an app in Play Store and you can install it and it'll come like this. So in that you have to just click AI companion and just type the code over here and just click connect with code and you will be linked. Or you can also scan the QR code by clicking over here. Or you can also download the MIT App Inventor emulator and install it on your device and you can test like that also. So if you have installed the MIT AI starter or the emulator, then if you just click over this emulator, that will run. Or you can also connect your device via USB and also check. But after completing, you have to just click on reset connection so that no error occurs. So in the next video, we are gonna see how to install the app without using any devices. Thank you.